Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to continue putting our Franken speaker together with this bad boy and put it back into a Hi-Fi speaker. And I had to bring out the big gun. This one I got at my local hardware store. 10 inches of pure goodness. This gets into the speaker. Oh yeah. Okay, and we are gonna pop the top. Ow. Oh, there we go. I got half of it. Let's see if I can. Well, that's not going to quite work. It is a bit smaller than the other one. So the only way I can see this working is if I mount it here. I see they nicely hot glued this so you can't get at it. But too bad. I'm here. I'm coming at it. Well, I'm gonna cut myself doing that. Hey! Okay, there we go. That did its job. Okay, you stay back there. And you over there. Now my problem is putting this bugger. Oh, well, it almost fits. But there's not enough support. My aluminum maximum. A PCI bracket would work. A couple of PCI brackets with support. One of this. No. Ooh, it lines up perfectly. So if it lines up perfectly there and there, if I shift it up, it will align there. And then have your support there. Oh, I got another one. Look at this guy go. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? Oh, there's my snippers. Oop. Stay. Doink. Not saying this will fall out. I'm not saying this will stay in either. And I need to get good enough. Uh-huh. Now we're gonna hook this wire up into here. Oh, that's not it. We're gonna hook up the battery there. Oops. These are some delicate ass pins. Turned on. Now, the moment of truth if I'm going to connect the right wires. Let's straggle.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, there it is. It talks.
FM mode.
It,
AUX mode.
that's,
Bluetooth mode.
yeah, that's it. She works. I have the right wires. Oh well, I guess I'll have to live with this.
Bluetooth mode.
My baby sings. Alright, now we gotta get all this stuff reconnected. Now, start with these LED lights. Look at this face. It's gonna be so happy. Oops. Okay, so this is this LED. Oh, done with that piece. Done with this. I don't think I need to go in there. Here's the good piece. Oh. Okay, well, I guess even with one tap on, it still holds. Okay, so these have to come through the chute, which all have to come through here. Now, the question... FM, LED. Battery. Well, this doesn't look like it cares how it's oriented. You don't come apart while I'm putting you together. Eh, plastic metal, yeah, it's gonna fudge up somehow. And okay, LED, battery, speaker, antenna. Yeah, the hot glue antenna. Now,
Bluetooth mode.
hey, she sings.
FM mode. AUX mode. Bluetooth mode. FM mode.
Yeah, you ain't gonna pick up any radio station where I live. Don't think that speaker will last, but at least it works. And we're gonna put this in. Oh, da, da, da. Yeah, you can't even tell that that's broken.
Bluetooth mode.
And she sings, and that's it. Good old Facey Hi-Fi speaker. Look at that. If you don't look into it, you won't even notice the speaker's been replaced. Thank you and have a good night.